Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So a couple things have changed. I wrecked my truck. You're gonna see the damage in today's video. I played tag with the tree one. The house has changed a little bit. I'll show you a little bit of that when we get back up the hill. But the truck's gonna go away for a while. I'm actually gonna sell it. It's gonna go away for forever actually. Gonna buy something a little bit cheaper. I'm tired of making a payment on it. And I have an opportunity to get a free car pretty much. So I'm gonna buy something for my parents. But the truck was gonna get fixed, but I decided to go a different route with it. And the house is getting finished. That's still the plan with the house. I finished the loft, or I got the loft like 99% done, and we'll show you that in today's video. But here's the damage on the truck. I've been out having fun. It's snowing here in Tennessee, so it's, you know, the truck's already got some damage, so I'm not afraid to hurt it worse. It's, you know, pretty much already sold, so the guy doesn't care, or the person getting it doesn't really care. Hood, grill broke. The rough country lights actually held up pretty good because the tree was smack down in the center right there. Headlights broken, and a bumper. Now the fender was broken too, just a little bend out there, and then the inner fender is the metal inside there is, you know, crumpled and cinched back. But overall, not bad for hitting a tree at 40 miles an hour. I mean, it looks rough, but it's still drivable 100%. Nothing was wrong with the lift kit or any of that stuff. So I have to give props to Rough Country. You know, it is a cheap lift kit, a relatively cheap lift kit, but I mean, I hit a tree at 40 miles an hour. That, I mean, it was sitting like this in a ditch, pretty much in a creek, and there's no more damage other than what you can see up front. So this thing still drives fine. I've driven it multiple 100 plus mile trips since this happened, and it drives straight at, you know, 75 miles an hour down the interstate. But I wanted to come on here and give you guys an update. So earlier you saw a little bit of stuff with the truck. The truck has been sold, so there's no more truck content, at least on the 2021 Ram. I did buy a 1997 Ford OBS. I used to have one, so I bought another one, but I don't pick that up until March. So there'll be a video on that one, you know, when I go to pick that one up. But for right now, the only content is going to be the house and the jet skis. We decided not to sell the jet skis this summer, so I think we're going out next weekend, which is, it's going to be super cold, but I think we're going to go out next weekend and enjoy them. Make sure everything's good, because they're going to Florida in April. They're also going to Florida in July, and they might be going to Florida in August as well. But I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that's going to change. There's going to be more posts here. Try to get back to the once a month thing, if not a couple times a month. The house is coming along. I finished with the loft, right? You know, framed the loft, got it done, so I got my stuff up there. The bathroom framing is next, and then once the bathroom is framed, I can go ahead and start electrical and plumbing, rough end stuff. But yeah, there's not a whole lot that's been going on besides getting rid of the truck. That car you hear is my spare until I buy something else. It's my parents'. It's a Saturn SL2 with the exhaust cut off because it broke when I went to go pick it up in Ohio. So we'll show you the house. Nash has been playing with his log all morning. It's kind of chilly this morning. He's so vocal this morning. It was a crisp 17 degrees last night, and there's holes there at the top of my house. I haven't got the soffit done yet, and it's not insulated, so it was kind of chilly last night. The heater doesn't really do much when there's no insulation and holes everywhere, but here's the bathroom, where the bathroom's going to be. Sorry about the lighting. There's going to be the corner door there, stackable washer, dryer, shower, toilet's going to be over there, then a sink in the corner. This window is going to be framed up to a 2x4 window, which is the same as those windows. So is this one, but this is where that line is where the kitchen's going to be, pretty much in that corner. I got most of the lumber for the bathroom, but I'm waiting on a few things. And then here's the loft and the bedroom wall. I think I'm going to throw a time lapse of this, of finishing up the loft in there. I was able to get all my stuff up top. It's like a 10 by 15. The building's 16 by 32, so, or 32 by 16, but it's framed in 2 by 6s, so the bedroom is only like 15 feet long. And as far as all this pallet wood, I'm gonna break them all down, square them off, and plane them, and that's gonna be the exterior interior wall. So this part, you'll see it there. I might do it on that wall too, but I'm not sure yet. The people I bought the place from were nice enough to give me some drywall, so that's gonna be for the bathroom, and we're gonna just cover it with the Schluter system. But I'm still living out here. You know, who doesn't like to see that view every morning? And then like I said, we're gonna go out on the jet skis probably next weekend, a bunch this summer. But he's enjoying his run. That's the air plan. So we had to take down our gate due to issues. And this road, my property line technically goes to halfway into the easement. It's right about in here. But I have to leave 50 feet. So that fence is technically as close as to the end of my property as I can get. But I want to extend it. It's going to end up going probably all the way down there, past the second driveway. Eventually, Nashville, you're okay, sweetheart. Eventually, there's going to be a pole barn there behind where the car is. But I want to be able to let my dog out and just let him run. He doesn't do too good at coming back if he gets out, so I want to give him a nice, decent run. Eventually, there's going to be that porch off the front and porch off the back. But that's the update I have for you guys right now. Next video will probably be the jet ski video if we go out next weekend.
or the bathroom video for the house. Like I said, we're going down, or I'm going up to Ohio in March to pick up my truck. It's never been on a 7-hour drive in its life, so driving that home from Ohio should be nice. I was gonna rent a trailer, but renting a trailer's, they're just hard to find and they're super expensive, you know, compared to just driving it home. So I'm just gonna send it. If it makes it, it makes it. If it doesn't, well, we'll cross that bridge when it comes. But yeah, there's a lot of jet ski content to come this summer. I've already ordered the link system for it. So we're gonna add a cooler and fuel caddies because we almost ran out of fuel a few times last season. I might do a wrap. I still don't think I'm gonna do any performance mods. It's fast enough for me, and like I said last year, I don't think that adding, you know, $300, $400, $500 worth of stuff to get 5 miles an hour is worth it to me. I might do the exhaust just because it sounds it could sound a little bit better, but I'm not entirely sure on that either. You're okay. There will be a video coming on those again. Probably after we take them out this year, after we take them out this next weekend or whatever. It's gonna be like a review of how we like having them after one season. So we put a lot of hours on them. Heck, we had probably 10 to 15 before the water was even warm enough to get in the water. We were going out when it was like 40, 50 degrees outside last year, which is about what we're gonna do this year, just so we can get as much season out of them as possible. We really need to buy some wetsuits or some cold weather suits, whatever you call them. But I know my friend still wants to keep theirs, and I definitely still want to keep mine, so they're being kept this year. And my dad wants me to buy a boat this season, so that's something that might be coming. I know we sold the boat last year. My dad definitely misses it. I definitely miss it. So a new boat, well, not a new boat, but a new used boat is something that might be coming. But I really appreciate you guys sticking around, everybody that's a subscriber, and even the new people. If you guys could subscribe and like, that'd be great. I'm on that road to 1,000 subscribers, and the more subscribers I have, the more motivation I have to make videos. But again, I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next episode.